Still using traditional ways to screw and wasting time and productivity? We have a perfect solution for you with DynaScrew. Let's see how it works. Different size screws are fed using screw feeder through the tube directly into the head of the machine. That's it. Within a second, you can get the screwing process done. But what if it's a narrow space, like this part, where traditional drivers cannot fit? That's where DynaScrew's cylindrical extended head does its job. Optional articulated arm for ease of operation. DynaScrew.